In today's video, I'm going to show you how we DIY'd our own turkey coop / run. Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below. By simply using items that we already had around the farm, my husband, my son, and I created an area for our turkeys to go in during the day or at night, and it offers them a place to roost. We had been putting together a wood barn, a wood shed, and we had some extra 2x4s left over. So my husband used those and created a half wall, a little frame for the turkeys. Then we just redid the wall of our chicken coop. It's covered right now with tarp for the winter. But as you can see up here, we have the chicken wire all on it. And we had some extra chicken wire. We had bought extra because it was on sale. So we had extra chicken wire, and it took just one roll of chicken wire for $4. That was a 6-month ago purchase. And we used it to cover the 2x4s. My husband went out on our 40 acres and he found a couple of trees. He found some that could fit together, as you can see, with the little branch areas. And then he simply came in here, cut them to size, leaned them up against the existing wall, and created a turkey roost. Also, we needed a door to get in and out of the turkey roost and give us easy access to the chickens. So my husband took a couple of hooks, some paracord, and a brick, and he created a self-closing door on our turkey area. Now, of course, the turkeys are going to be able to jump right over, fly right over this half wall and get into their area. However, the chickens needed a way to get into the turkeys to get into the chicken coop. So my husband created this door, and again, it's just some paracord and a couple of hooks or bent nails and a little handle, and all I have to do is pull the handle and the door opens and closes for the chickens. Here is our turkey roost. Look, the turkeys are in front of it. They're like, "What are you doing? This is my home." Share with me your turkey areas. I would love to see the creative things that you've come up with to DIY a turkey area roost coop on your homestead. Thank you for watching today's video on Homesteading Farm Life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.